That little blizzard corn just crawled out of the egg. I wish I'd had the video going when he did it, because I watched him. And he's very, very large for a hatchling corn snake. One of the biggest I've ever seen. See if I can get a size reference here. To maybe show how large this baby snake is. I hope that does the trick. He's very active. He's already exploring. Just crawled out of the egg maybe 2 minutes ago. Flicking his tongue. Here's some of his siblings that are still in the egg. That baby right there is the first one out of the egg in this clutch. Right there's some of his siblings. These are regular Okatee corn snakes. Hatching out of the egg right now. And there's their oddball sibling, the blizzard, which I did not know had those genetics in this clutch until this head came out of the egg. That's just awesome. That's a pretty little snake. Biggest baby corn snake I think I've ever seen. Let's get one more shot of him before I turn this off. That's just one sweet little snake. Lots of noses poking out of eggs over there. Yeah, that'll be enough for now.